Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new reaction video on the YouTube channel. Today, we're checking out the Chainsaw Man opening. And before we get into the reaction, make sure you guys hit that like button. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys want me to react to next. And don't forget to hit that big fat subscribe button for some more juicy bangers. Without further ado, let's get in the reaction. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I love the animation. So good. Hey. Oh yeah. Got the bowling scene. Okay. Hey, yo, I like that. Damn. Ugh. Damn. I like this intro. It's super sick. Damn! Damn. This is sick. Nice. That was good. I like that opening scene. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next reaction. Peace.